Just compile, no need, do not worry about ethers. Compiled? Good. Does also compile, please write yes or two or anything, please. Good. Good. Yes, yes, you have to compile. In compilation, it does not ask for any ether. It asks for ethers only during deploy. Was roll number 262. It does not ask for any ethers. Okay. Now, many of you have compiled. After compiling, you can see the contract over there. Just click on compilation details. The third option, compilation details. Now, either we use Truffle or we proceed today with this thing. These all details, the concepts, basic knowledge should be clear. Therefore, I am sharing all these things. Now, when we click on compilation details, just go through this. It shares the bytecode, the ABI. Please mute yourself. User mute करते रहना. ABI, Web3 deploy, meta hash, gas estimates. So many things have been given by the compiler. 2-3 things which are required is I'm telling you. One is what is a gas and Ethereum. Whatever transaction we are doing, whatever code we are, what is it? Can you please tell the website from where we took the, okay. I request the participant that if you know the answers, just keep on handling these queries also so that we can continue with the lecture. Now, someone is open as, please mute yourself. Yeah. Now, where are this? Yeah, the gas fees. The gas fees depends upon the functions which we have used in the smart contract. The smart contract which is there on your screen. So depending upon the complexity of the smart contract, the gas fees is computed. Now, when we click on the compilation details, you can see gas estimates. That these are the, now how are these gas estimates calculated? These gas estimates are calculated in a unit which is called weight. And I told you that 1 ether is equals to 10 to the power 18 weight. 1 ether is equals to 10 to the power 18 weight. So when we are doing anything, we are not in this code. If you see, in this smart contract, we have not written anything. We have just written a small program to take the name and get the name and take the age and get the age. When we build an actual application, we have to take addresses of different persons. We have to authorize different persons and we have to see if the code is being run by the correct person. So these all things, and there are cases where ethers have to be transferred from one account to other account. So for that type of code, ethers are also transferred and gas fees also increases. For these type of code, from your MetaMask account, if you will see, ethers are not transferred, there is a slight deduction from your gas fees. But gas fees comes from the ethers only. Therefore, those who are not having the ethers in their MetaMask account, they are unable to compile it. For them, I have told, sorry, they are not able to deploy it. Compilation can be done without ethers also. For them, I have told that use what you have to use, Java virtual machine. It will work as well as it was working over there. So these are the compilation details. I hope, sorry, these were the compilation details. I hope the gas fees is clear. Can't see screen, everyone was, can others see the screen? Yes? So this is STC GKV 332. There is some problem at your side, others can see. Please adjust yourself. Yeah, we'll proceed. Now, everything in blockchain is hash. So it tells the metadata which is creating what is the hash of this metadata. The runtime bytecode it is given, the assembly code it is giving. Now, the main thing which it is giving is, I'm showing you, it is called application binary interface, ABI. Now, to link this smart code into an application, we require application binary interface. So I'll show you a small presentation so that it can clear your concepts. Sorry, pardon me. I should not say it should clear your concepts. All of you are very renowned professors. Means I'll just try to explain to the best of my ability. Now we will see a presentation so that we can discuss more about what is front end, what is back end, what is smart contract. Then we will come back to Remix Ethereum and we will deploy a app using a front end. If time permits, we will also see Truffle. But as far as the queries which we are getting, I doubt that we'll be able to see Truffle. But don't worry, the thing which we are going to do today is itself a complete capsule course. If you go for Coursera or other courses, the things which we have covered in these 2 days, it is covered in entirely 1 month. So they give a 4 weeks course, which we are trying to cover in 4 hours. So, and the next session, which will be starting by Ruchika today, is going to be wonderful. So we can't wait and extend our time. So I'll just show you a small presentation to clear certain concepts. So just bear with me. Wait for a moment.
JQP. J.
Is the screen visible to you in which DAP and Truffle is written? Yes, no? Thank you. Thank you. I'm just asking to cross check, though on the desktop I can see that it is visible, but still it increases the confidence if the participant says that it is visible. Now, let's proceed. Now, what is a DApp? DApp is decentralized application. Up till now, what we have done is we have just written a smart contract. The smart contract is the backend. The smart contract was the backend. DApp is the front end. We have created a smart contract. You created the smart contract in Remix. You use two functions, set age, get age, and we will see that a smart contract was there on Remix Ringby test network also. Yesterday, while leaving, I said that some of you can try at your home also that Ringby, what do we call it? Ringby Etherscan, and write down your MetaMask address, and you will find the contract which you have deployed in Ringby Etherscan. Now that a smart contract is the backend which works on blockchain platform. DApp is the front end. To any user, if you are giving your blockchain application, you will be definitely giving an application to it. So decentralized application, the application which uses the concept of decentralization, we call it decentralized application. So for having a front end, we have classified into three things. It can be a web app, It can be a desktop app, it can be a mobile app, or it can even be an IoT device app. So a dApp can be anything which can be used. So now the backend which we were using, we used smart contract and blockchain. So smart contract and blockchain we were using at the backend. These are some of the examples which, if you can Google on your screen, agrichain.com. Just few seconds, you can try on your screen. I will not shift the screen again and again. It might remove the sharing content. So just type agrichain.com. So agrichain.com is a decentralized application which have been made using a blockchain platform. So this is what we wish that the user should create an application. Dubai is fully going on decentralized applications on blockchain. All the data of Dubai is on blockchain. Just visit a site smartdubai.ai. These are certain applications and these are giving you the front end, but we do not know that at the back end they are using the blockchain concept. So you have already studied that how you can make your backend using a smart contract. Only what is remaining is that you have to learn Solidity or Serpent to write your own smart contract. There are other applications also. This is a IBM Food Trust application. There are many applications of IBM which IBM use cases will be shown to you. So I am not sharing those applications, but this is one of the applications, IBM Food Trust applications. Augur, .NET, another application. Now, I'll come back to the Remix platform. There was a query, what are these applications for? You just go through on these websites, they are self-explanatory that why, what are these applications for? These applications are for blockchain only. Voice is breaking. Is it audible? Screen I can see on the desktop that the screen is visible. Voice I am, yes, it is there. Na? Puja ma'am, this might be problem at your end. It is audible to others. So we'll proceed. Now we'll stop sharing for a moment and we'll go back to the Remix platform. Great. It is visible, the Remix platform from the place where we left. Yes. So the work which we are doing at the Remix platform, this is the backend where we are writing the smart contract. The only thing which we are not discussing is that how to write a smart contract. So for it, there is a very good course of Udemy and Udacity where you can learn Solidity. I learned Solidity from these two courses only. So I'm therefore recommending these two courses. That on Udacity, there is a very good course of complete Ethereum. What we are telling, they will cover all these things also, and they will teach you complete Solidity. So I think there are 40 lectures in Solidity. I have downloaded these lectures, but I don't think whether it would be feasible to share with the group. So, but they have explained Solidity in a very simple way, and it is a very easy language. Another thing is one tip which I am giving you, that if you start learning Solidity and if you write a smart contract, every platform of a smart contract, every platform of Ethereum blockchain gives certain smart contracts which are pre-built. For example, this storage, owner, ballot test, these all Solidity programs are pre-built and remixed. There are various other platforms also which gives the smart contracts pre-built. Even if you study these smart contracts, I am sharing a shortcut with you. I don't know means whether it is right or wrong. Means if you study these smart contract, you can do certain changes in a smart contract and write your own smart contract also. The first smart contract which we deployed, we wrote first smart contract with this age and name. Generally, the first smart contract people write is of printing hello, but I don't know that why we wrote it for get name and get age. But the first smart contract which we used in polling for teachers in our college was a modified version of this ballot only. The patent which we have done recently, only 1 month before, which is for cleaning of Ganga, which have been done on blockchain by me and my two students, those who are passed out and they are working in a company now. So it was for that we wrote a smart contract from the scratch. So it depends that the level of code which you wish to write. But to start with, join certain course, do certain changes, and the smart contract part is done. Now let's proceed to the main thing. When we compile, you see we are getting two things. One is ABI and the second is bytecode. These two things are required. Just see where are they on my mouse, because when we'll be proceeding, I'll be using these two things. So please do not ask at that time, sir, from where to get the ABI. So this is ABI on the left. You can see the mouse. Then see on the mouse on your screen the bytecode. When you click on this, it will get copied. We are not copying it for the moment, but it will get copied. Now deploy and run transactions. I am changing again to injected Web3, and I am again deploying the contract. I hope, do not open your mic. I'm just hoping. No need to reply on the chat window also. I hope that all of you must have got the ethers in your account, and if not, then I again request the participants to please transfer, because the steps which we'll be doing now, it require connection to the MetaMask. Now see over here the details when the contract is deployed. Just if you can see the person contract and all, and scroll it little, there is a link is coming, ringbeetherscan.io. Just click on this link. The screen has gone. Mouse is visible. So I will stop sharing and again share the screen. This is the issue. You see, I cannot see on the desktop, although both two browsers are. Anyhow, I'll not share this screen because that is not so important. Let's stop it. I know. Let's start with this. This. So this, you have to click and just see on your screen. Click over there and see on your screen that the information it is giving. So it is giving an information on Ring Ether scan about the block which you have created. If you note down the address, this is the address of your MetaMask account. Now, if we move more further, more upwards, it says that from this account to person constructor, this much value, this much data, these are the logs, and this is the hash. this is being done. The main thing which I want to tell you is on the deployed contracts, if you can see my mouse, it is written person, copy value to clipboard. The value which we are copying, this is the smart contract address. This is the smart contract address. For example, let me just hold on. I copied the smart contract address and I'm typing it on the chat window and I'm sharing it over here. So this is the smart contract address. It has nothing to do with my MetaMask address. Please mute yourself. There are two things I'm repeating. One is smart contract address and the second is MetaMask address. The MetaMask address is an externally owned account address. The smart contract address is the address which have been created for the smart contract which you have created on a blockchain platform. Whenever we are dealing with the front end, see, our front end needs to integrate with the back end by all means. So how will it integrate? It requires a code, it requires a bytecode, it requires the application binary interface. One is API. All of us knows what is API, application programmable interface. For this blockchain, we require ABI. This ABI file is pre-generated. Now, just to share with you, things must be appearing very simple at this end. When we first tried it, we never knew that the ABI files come from this Remix Ethereum also. We created an Ethereum node on a Linux machine and we started doing the programming and we say that ABI will come and how to write down the ABI, how to integrate with the DApp. Now the steps when I show to you and if I tell the story that what we did, you all will laugh. सर आप पागल थे जो इतना करते थे, ये तो इतना आसान काम था करना. तो वो एक अलग चीज थी करने की. अब चीजें काफी आसान हो गई हैं. So I'm sharing the easier things with you so that we all can proceed and we can teach our students further. Now the address which I shared with you is a smart contract address. See, this address is also SHA-256 in Ethereum. Everything is has. So everything is secure. Now we are going to deploy an app finally. There are a lot more things we can explore in Remix. So you can see different YouTube videos of different persons on Remix are there to explore more on Remix. And one thing I'm sharing with you, that Remix platform keep on changing. So it is might be possible that if you log in after 1 month, it changes. So if you are interested in blockchain, keep on. विवुत सर म्यूट करना. विवुत सर म्यूट कीजिएगा.
क्यों सर, सही बोल रहा हूँ? ठीक है सर. या सपोज क्योंकि मैथ्स वाले हम लेते हैं ना, आरआईटी में भी.
विवुत सर म्यूट करना. Thank you. Now, someone is asking, please let me know the compiler name. This is Remix Ethereum platform, sir. And the compiler version which we have chosen is 0.4.25. Okay. Unable to deploy, we will see if we can have a query session afterwards for unable to deploy, because we have to proceed further also. Now I'll stop with this remix and we'll proceed further so that we can create a DApp. This is a very interesting thing which we are going to do for DApp. So we will stop with the remix for the time being and we'll see how we can proceed with DApp. Just hold on. If you will be able to get back to that would be much helpful to me. Provide me the details can be provided by your friends Can you repeat? I was saying that the platform keeps on changing, so it is advisable that if we all keep on practicing on this platform, the look keep on changing. Yeah, that was it. Now, for the moment, I am stopping the sharing. All of you have to open an app which is called a website. You have to open. I'm writing on the chat window. I will also open, not an issue. One click DAP. One click DAP. In the meantime, I'll also open it and then I'll share that screen. One click DAP. Just hold on, I'm sharing the screen. Yeah, visible. Now, from your one click DAP, click on create a DAP for free. Click. If done with this, just give a 3. In the afternoon session, we request all of you please use this STC GKV so that on the last day there are no issues with the attendance. Though not mandatory, but we request. How to change it is very easy, Gauravji. In your Cisco username, just write down this name which we have given to you for 4 more days. After that, you can change your profile. Easiest way is this. Or you can log in as a guest, and in guest, you can write down the name STCG. Now, what is next? We will tell. Don't worry. Now, over here, give any name of the app you want to give. I am giving STC GKB. All of you should give different names. Will guest get certificate? I myself don't know that whether anyone will get certificate or not. How can I tell about the guest? No? It is a big question. See, for certificate, an exam would be conducted, which will be having 30 MCQs, 1 question, 1 mark, exactly 30 minutes, irrespective of internet or any issue. It is not in our hand. It would be open from the administration side. The exam would be taken from the exam department. The portal will open only for 30 minutes, then it will close. 30 minutes, 30 questions, 70% marks. If 70% marks are there with matching on the attendance, then certificates will reach directly to your mail. Then with this thing, given a name, after giving a name, just use the chat window, please do not speak. We will hear to you after a little more time. Click on create DAP. Okay, click on create DAP. This thing will come, address, network, and ABI. So I told you when I was showing you the Remix platform that please do not ask sir where to copy all these things. So the smart contract address, go back to your Remix platform. If you can see on your screen, deployed contract, this is the address of the smart contract address. Copy it. Come back to one click DAP, paste it. Done, give a 4. Those who have done. Wait, the first one to is do is GKV 202 roll number. Wait, sir. Let's wait for others because this is something. What did we copy? So we copied the smart contract address. The smart contract we created. See, this is how we copied. We deployed the smart contract, we copied the address. This thing has to be done on a test network, not for Java virtual machine. That is the only issue. Choose network, ring B. Choose network, ring B. Then again come back to Remix Ethereum. Go to compile. Go to compile. Copy ABI. Copy ABI. 075, there is some issue at your end. Log out from Cisco WebEx, log in again. If you can see only the chat window, you have not opened, I think, the grid view or the active speaker view. Okay, log out and log in again because others can see, and two of my faculty are sitting in front of me. They can also see. They are showing the laptop that they can see. Okay, and on the desktop also I can see. So please. 332, I can't repeat all the things. I'll ask someone to repeat. Please hold on. I'm having a bad throat. So yesterday I was speaking very loudly. So today I'm having a bad throat. These days bad throat is very dangerous. So please pardon me. Now copy the ABI. ABI copied. One click DApp. Come back to one click DApp. Paste the ABI over here. Okay. Paste the ABI. This is application binary interface. Great. Great. Someone has even written all the steps. Thank you. Ashutosh. Great Ashutosh. आशुतोष, जिन लोगों के पास बेटा वो नहीं पहुंच रहे हैं ईथर्स, थोड़ी सी मेहनत करके ईथर्स भी ट्रांसफर कर देना है ना।
कैसे ट्रांसफर करते हैं, जैसे हो जाएगा
मेटामास्क में हो जाएगा ट्रांसफर, है ना, वरना इस लेक्चर के बाद मैं अलग से फोन करके थी। थैंक यू आशुतोष। All these steps are given on the video also, of which are there on the YouTube. You can refer to those videos. आशुतोष वीडियोस का लिंक भी बेटा शेयर कर देना। He is one of our very we can say a studious and a smart student. He is working on a project which is means on the initial stage, and I think 5 students are there with Ashutosh working on blockchain, machine learning, IoT. It is a bundled project which has been given by exclusively by IBM to them through a third party, and we are lucky enough to have a funder also for that project. And very soon these students will be showing their work to them, and we hope that with all your wishes they start with their own startup very soon. Chalo. Now we have posted this thing. After this, on the right hand side you can see this arrow. This is basically the next for this. Click on this. Then this one click DApp is the easiest way to create your decentralized application I have ever seen. The truffle which I'll be telling in another 1 hour is something which requires a lot of coding and all to create an application. How do we get an ABI, ma'am or sir? 354 STC GKV. Just go back to your Remix platform, go to compile, Below of compilation details, there is ABI. Copy this ABI. Okay. Thank you. Now, if your organization or you wish to proceed with one-click DApp, then we recommend, I'm not publicizing it, but it is very useful. I've seen it. Then you can go for the premium. Otherwise, you can create for free. So we'll create for free. Now what happens, see, when we create for free? When we create for free, this is the app which has been created, oneclickdapp.com. Explain candid. If we would have paid, we could have given it our name. Now this is the address of our app on Ringbeep platform. This app, DApp, has already been launched. And if you see this address, everyone will be getting a unique address. You can share your address in the chat window and your friends can open it. So this thing has become live now. No hosting, nothing. This is the power. Now your friends can open, and this is set name. But what will happen? Because we have not given rights, this will work. This application will work from my MetaMask. Your application will work for your MetaMask because we have not given anything. For string, I forgot to say that for string we use quotes. So when you enter a string, use quotes. You can see on your screen that when I'm writing or reading something, this error will come. Forget about this error. Wait. Yes. Yeah. So you see, I entered the age 12. It is showing 12. Get name, get age. Now, when we make an original DApp means which others can use. We give the first step to create in the smart contract is that we, in a function, we give authority, that which there is a creator who create a function called register generally, where users have to be registered. Then technically in a smart contract, we call it a modifier. What do we call a modifier? I'm just trying to share a little bit about Solidity. Now these modifiers, you can say, these modifiers are statements which control the function. For example, if I'll write a function that anyone can write, so I'll put a modifier that any address can read. But if I say that only certain specific persons, those who have been registered as teachers, they can write, then I will put a modifier, and within that modifier, I'll write a 2-line code. Only 2-line code is there, which will check that only the specific address have got the permission of writing. And what I will do is that I will put that modifier in front of writing function. That's all. The user will not come to know anything. The user will use, and when he will use, it will give an error that yeah, there is an error in the return value. Don't worry, ignore that error. It will work fine. See, if it is working for me, it will work for you also. Okay, so ignore that error. I'll tell you why these errors are coming. The errors are coming only because we have used different platforms, and the Solidity version is very old. We wrote 4.25. Solidity compiler is changing. Now the new code which we are writing is in a new compiler. Okay, so therefore this error is coming.
कर ले ऐसे हो जाएगा ऐसे हो जाएगा
Vivek ji, please mute.
याद आ गया
Vivek ji, mute कर लो. See. After some time that will come. When the transaction is confirmed, read, it will give the new name. works. Okay, so this is how we create a one-click tab. Now we'll move to Truffle. Time is permitting us, so I think we should move to Truffle. Great. We'll join after 5 minutes. Just give me 5 minutes so that I can get my virtual machine ready for Truffle. In the meantime, for Truffle, you will only see, you will not perform hands-on. If you want to perform hands-on, you can use the virtual machine which we have shared with you, or you can use any Ubuntu system or any Linux system, because Truffle does not require all the things which was there in the OVA file which we shared with you. But for Truffle, this DAP is not required. It is totally different thing. I'll tell what is a Truffle after some time. But Truffle requires a Linux atmosphere. So give me 5 minutes. I'll rejoin after 5 minutes. And then we will join again for the Truffle. Shall I explain the queries first? Can you explain again about read and write options? See, these read and write are two functions. What I was telling was that we have made these functions without any restriction. We can give a lot number of restrictions depending upon the features of Solidity. So just go through the Solidity. In the meantime, what I request is that any volunteer who can explain the same thing again. Yeah, we can control the validation process. That was I was saying that we put modifiers in Solidity. In this code, we have not put anything. If you see that ballad.sol, which is there in Remix Ethereum, you'll find a validation part over there also. Any volunteer who can explain the steps which we have covered? No one? So just wait. I'll join.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. If some volunteer want to explain, then he can explain.
So you mean the one-click DApp process?
Yeah, one-click DApp process or Remix Ethereum or anything you want to explain, sir, because it will take me it will take me some time to start my virtual machine to go to Truffle. I am quitting for the moment. You please carry on. Thank you.
Yeah. So you have to open one-click DApp. You just Google it, one-click DApp, which I will write on the chat also. Yeah, I think there's a process somebody has already written. So open one-click DApp, and then once you open it, create DApp for free. So click on create DApp for free, click on that. And then in that case, once you reach to this new window, it will say, you will see on the top left hand corner plus sign, which is new. So click on the new,